Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your hosting your domain to system.io, and it's pretty simple to do. So first of all, of course, you want to sign into your system.io and to your hostinger, and now you want to go to your system.io right here at the top right corner and click on settings on that profile icon. And here you want to click on the left corner custom domains. And here you can see you have a custom domain, this one. You won't see any other one because I just wanted to add a domain name. So now you're going to go back to your hostinger and you're going to just copy the domain that you want to add to your system.io, of course. And now you're going to click add domain. You're going to write down www. And you're going to paste it. And you're going to click save. After this, you're going to get your DNS servers configurations, which you will need now to add to your hostinger. So these are the ones. Now you're going to go back to your hostinger and you're going to click on domains. And now you're just going to choose the domain which you added to the system.io. And when you're here, you're going to click on DNS name servers. And now you're just going to scroll down, and as you can see, you can manage your DNS records. So you will need to put those DNS configurations to your hostinger. So first of all, as you can see, there's a CNAME. So you want to copy just www, or you can just write it down. And you want to go to here. Then you're going to choose CNAME, add a name, this one. Here on target, you're going to go back to system.io and you want to copy everything right here. So let's copy it and go back here and click and write it down. And you want to leave this one the same and add a record. If the DNS record is not valid or conflicts, so you want to go back here and you want to delete it so that there wouldn't be any conflictions. And then you want to add the record. And as you can see, the DNS record was created successfully. Now you want to add another one, which is this one. And what you want to do is just copy this, these numbers until the dot, and go back to here, choose CNAME, and where it says name, you're just gonna paste it this one. And for the target, you want to copy everything. And go back here, click on here, add a record. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how you add your DNS records. Now, on your system.io, you're gonna see a pending validation right here. So it takes up to 48 hours to get that ready to use option, that it wouldn't be pending anymore. And yeah, that's it guys. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.